Hello my fellow YouTubers, welcome to my channel. The weather is totally crap outside, so you know, with winter coming in, I'm unable to do a motor vlog. But what I've discovered about YouTube is people love to watch things being made and people being creative. I don't know if any of you watch Casey Neistat, he's always got one of these in his hands. Well, I'm just the same. I love to build, create, design things, and I also like a bit of a challenge as well. So today's video, it is a bit different, but I did 2 previous videos using the Phantom 4 drone and they were quite successful. So today we're going to do a challenge with a Phantom 4. So I'll just explain what I'm going to do today. I've got a length for 2B1 and an old carpenter's chisel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a sword, and then we're going to attach the sword to the underside of this drone. I mean, I don't know if it can carry the weight of it yet, so there's a bit of experimenting involved. We're going to attach it to the bottom of the Phantom 4. We're going to fly this up to its maximum UK flying height of 120 metres, and just here, oh no, hold on. What we have here is the launch pad. We're going to launch the drone from here in the middle of a field. We're going to fly 120 metres above this board, and we're going to release the sword and try and get it to spear into this bit of wood. Now, you're thinking, you know, the drone is taking off from here, the GPS will be locked in, it should work. I'm hoping it will work anyway, but this board looks this big, about this big from 120 metres high. So the chances of actually spearing the board is quite slim. But anyway, it's a bit of a challenge today. I hope you enjoy it. It's very dangerous.
Danger's my middle name. Okay.
Once the drone is above me, obviously I can't walk under it. So it's a bit of an exciting challenge for me, and let's see how we get on.
Notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle soltanto al riposo, ma ci settuato giro d'amore. Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci settuato giro d'amore. Quel cappello leggero galante, quell'azione quell'olio brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesto color, non più frai quei penachini.
You're not thinking this is the finished product, are you? I mean, I am so fussy, things have got to look better than this. So, let's proceed.
Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle turbando al riposo, delle belle turbando al riposo, non ci settuato.
You see the whole point of using a chisel? We're creating a spearhead to the sword. It also creates a bit of weight to the front of the sword, which gravity will pull this down faster.
L'uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango, una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con lunerie soglioni, al concerto di tromboni, di campane, di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più rai, quei tenerchini, non più rai.
The sword is taking shape nicely. Our next job is to sharpen the business end of the sword. Anyway, let's crack on.
Le belle comando al riposo, battito mattino d'amore. Delle belle comando al riposo, battito mattino d'amore. Rovino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, che rovino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar.
Right, as you can see, it's not finished yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm desperately trying to keep my videos down to less than 10 minutes ago to keep you lot interested. So I'm gonna get this finished now and I'll come back to you. Boom. So here is the finished sword. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you down the field where I'm gonna do the challenge. Right, we're just out on the field. I've got to show you a couple of things before we undertake this challenge. To be honest with you, I think this challenge is going to be a fail today, because the first thing is the balance of the sword. It is heavier on the front end, but not a vast amount heavier. So there's a big question mark about that. And let's look at the drone. What I've done, I don't know if you can see that properly, I've attached a little slip pin to the bottom of the drone. So what will happen is, I've got a key ring on the end of the sword. This will just slide off the edge of the pin like that and drop the sword if I give it a little shake. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fly the drone over to the plywood, land it, and then we're going to do a test flight up to 120 meters just to see how big that board looks from that altitude. Anyway, let me get the drone set up and I'll come back to you. Right, let's go. As you can see the board, I'll probably jump to the drone footage now. But you can see the meterage there, look. 30 meters. My God, it's high. Let's just keep going up. 50, 60. Look at the size of the board there. This challenge is never going to work. And I'm going to have to stand well back. 110. 120 meters. There's the warning, look, on the screen. So here we are, ready for the takeoff. I've got to say, people, I am really nervous about this. I didn't realise it was going to be so high. And for some reason, I just don't think it's going to work. Anyway, let's do the takeoff. Right, the thing that I might have to do is I might have to increase the motor's power. This is going to be quite difficult. So let's just go a bit higher. Get the sword. We're going to carry it. Oh my God. Right, we've got it. So I'm going to get well out the way. As you can tell, I've got shakes now. Just look at it. My God. Oh, I'm shaking. Let me get out the way. Hold on, the camera's pointing up for some reason. Right, you can see right down the sword there. Exciting. All right, let's get it going. I don't know where to stand. I don't know where to stand. What I'm trying to do is wedge the camera right, I'm backing off. I don't know if you can hear me, but this thing looks like it's above me. 120 meters. Right, I've got to stand back, people. Here it comes. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Do you have any idea how crazy you are? Sex? Yes, please.
Con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la...
It's stuck in the ground. Blimey. Let's get the drone back. 120 meters it released itself. I think it got choppy up there. Let's bring the drone back. Actually, we can take camera. I was struggling there. I had to wedge the camera in the gate. Let's go over here. Blimey. Dare I have a second attempt? It stuck in the ground and fell over. The ground is really soft, you see. Do you know what? That wasn't a horrendous fail. I can't believe that. The string actually snapped on the drone when it got to 120 meters. It's like it wanted to release itself. Crazy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little challenge. Sorry it didn't hit the board. It's not far off though. Close. And I'll see you on the next vid. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and yeah.